Planning to study in the United States? Here's how to apply for an F1 student visa step by step. There are 6 steps you'll need to follow to complete this process. Follow this process carefully to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Before applying, you must be accepted by a school in the United States and receive your I-20 form. Check that all the information on your I-20 is correct. Next, pay the SEVIS fee online. Save your receipt. You must bring it to your interview. Step 3. Completing the DS-160 form. This is the most important part of your application, so let's go over it very carefully. You have to fill out the DS-160 form online on this website. Double-check everything before you submit it. Whether you're a student, tourist, or visiting family, each visa has its own requirements. For students, your visa type will be printed on your I-20. It's usually F1 or M1. The DS-160 form asks for detailed information, including personal information, passport details, travel history, work and education background, and security-related questions. Common mistakes include incorrect passport numbers, typos in personal details, and inconsistent travel history. Errors and mistakes can delay your visa processing. Remember that you are responsible for all the information provided on your DS-160, so make sure it's precise and accurate. After completing the form, submit it and print the confirmation page with the barcode number. You'll need this barcode for the next steps. Your DS-160 must be submitted at least 3 business days prior to your interview date. Step 4. Paying the visa fee. This must be done through ustraveldocs.com. You must create an account on ustraveldocs.com. Log into your ustraveldocs.com account and follow the instructions to pay. You need to answer some questions, select your visa option, and then make the payment. You can pay online or in cash. Note down your payment reference number. It contains 11 characters, also known as your receipt number. Step 5. Scheduling your visa interview. You'll need 3 things: your passport, the 11-character receipt number, and the 10-character barcode from your DS-160 confirmation. After the payment, you'll need to log in and confirm your receipt number. Once your receipt is confirmed, you can proceed to book your appointment. Click on Schedule Appointment. Make sure that you use your most updated barcode number to schedule your appointment. If the barcode number you use to schedule your visa appointment is not the same as the barcode number on your DS-160, you cannot attend your interview. Step 6. Attend your interview at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. Arrive on time and bring all required documents. Bring your passport, DS-160 confirmation, appointment confirmation letter, passport photo, I-20, SEVIS fee receipt, and any supporting documents. At your interview, a consular officer will ask you about your study plans. Answer questions honestly. There are no right answers, just tell the truth. The consular officer will determine if you qualify for the visa and inform you of the decision. And that's how to apply for a U.S. student visa the right way. For official information, visit ustraveldocs.com. If you encounter any technical issues, you can contact our service help desk at this URL. Thank you so much for watching today, and good luck on your interview. I'll see you over here at the window.